what we need is for large institutions to step up. And by large institutions, I do not mean even a country. I think European Union is the best positioned body, European Research Council for that matter, the best positioned body to do something. And what they can do is recognize the fact that universities pay billions of euro for access to libraries. And then they also pay billions of euro for open accessing the publications. For a fraction of this amount, European Union can and should start a solid platform allowing journal publication, possibly even with modest fees, modest remuneration for editors, and encourage editorial boards to transfer. Escape the prison, escape Elsevier, escape Springer, and go there. Why on earth don't we do this? And the reason is very simple. First of all, there's inertia. Second, there's lobbying. Come on, it's about money. People do not want to open it. But third, and I think this is the most depressing and sad fact, if you're a European Union officer, the only way, maybe not the only way, but one of the ways you can lose your job is by doing something brave that can fail. This is this thing. This is needed, but it can fail. It's not a foolproof idea. So that's why I think it's not happening. And this is where we should push and lobby, push back organizations, individuals, and everyone. Push for it. Make a platform allowing open access, publishing in journals, encouraging editorial boards to transfer. This is my answer.